So the next feature that I would like to talk about within GameGlance is the divisions feature. This video should be pretty short, very self-explanatory, and it's just a good feature that is within the platform to help you stay organized and make sure that all of your teams are getting properly parsed within their schedules and your standings are being properly calculated based on the divisions and the teams within those divisions. Inside of the divisions tab, you can come here on the sidebar, you'll see the divisions tab. You can see all of your different teams and you can see what division that they're properly put into. From here, you can audit everything, make sure that when you did your import or when you manually entered your teams, that they get properly assigned to the correct divisions. And if ever you need, there's a couple different ways to change the teams within the division. You can perform a drag and drop. You can drop down arrow and move to a division this way. Just know that when you move divisions and if you have a schedule already configured, to go recheck and make sure that it didn't affect your schedule and the team that you move were playing, and make sure that everything still stays correct. And for whatever reason, if you need to edit the division name, you can press the pencil icon and edit that division. If you need to delete a division, you can do that. You can add a new division. If there's any teams who don't get properly put to a division, they'll be in an unassigned division tab that you can see and check to make sure that they properly get put into a division. So that's the division tab. This is very simple, very self-explanatory, but it's good to help you stay organized and stay on top of everything within your platform.